Hey, today we are going to read 13th chapter of this novel and today heading is on what you want now and what you want most. Discipline is choosing between what you want now and what you want most. So there is thin line between what you want now and what you want in future, or whatever you want in future, that will be most important. So we are going to read this and see that what is even there, and there is not mention a author name, but there is a heading unknown. If you are on diet and decide to eat a piece of chocolate, if you are deciding that the instant fleeting pleasure is worth is more than your long term goal. So we unknown that you are on diet. If you want, you don't follow your diet, but if you eat piece of chocolate and then decide that you can follow your diet, that is not possible. So let's read next. Obviously, one piece of chocolate doesn't immediately translate to gaining weight, but it set a precedent that over the long term does change your body in such a way that it reflects your preference for what you want now, not what you want most. Each time you make a choice that favors instant gratification, your behavior signals that you have big motivators. If your reason why were strong enough, you would be less likely to go with what you want now. So it is all about why you want. If your why is strong, so you will not fall into a instant gratification. Otherwise, you will fall. Image, Imagine a straight line. On one end, there is a satisfaction you get from what you want now, and on the other end, there is a satisfaction you will get from what you want most. If the two ends are close to each other, meaning you only want what you want most, a little bit more than what you want now, you will have a problem delaying gratification. If, on the other hand, the thing you want most is so much rewarding than what you want now, you will have easier time resisting the temptation. So, if you have a strong what you want most, strong feeling for that, so you can easily resist your temptation. But if both line are parallel, only a little higher than what you want now and what you want most, so it will be a difficult to resist your temptation. To achieve your long term goals, make sure that the satisfaction you get from what you want most is always much stronger than the satisfaction you can get from what you want now. So if you want to achieve your long term goal, so it should be always higher gratification than what you want now, and what you will get is from now satisfaction. So it is so simple that what you want now and what you want most. Most people get if we fall into a instant gratification because we don't believe in the long term goal, but eventually that will work and we get much more satisfaction from our long term goal. Suppose that you want to work on your English, but right now, for now, you are watching reels and it is much more fun than learning English and reading any books. But right now you are scrolling just reels, but in future you are not. In future, it will not give you much pleasure because that is useless. But now you take a time for 2 to 5 minutes and start reading any novel. If you want to work in a Hindi, so you can read Hindi novel. If you want to work in English, so you can choose English novel. But you will see in a long term that your communication skill is getting better, your vocabulary is getting better, and you are learning a new language. So that will be a more satisfaction things, and you will see that yes, I worked really well for that, and you will be happier. So you can comment down your thought that what you think, that what is about this chapter and what do you learn from this. I would love to read all the comments. Thank you.